The life insurance industry's new business premium, or NBP, in April 2023 was 12,565 crore rupees. This was 30% lower than the NBP of 17,940 crore rupees a year ago. For private sector life insurance companies, the NBP grew 8.5% to 6,755 crore rupees. There are currently 23 private life insurance companies operating in the country. If the private sector insurers saw growth, what dragged the insurance sector down? The answer is the Life Insurance Corporation of India, better known as the LIC. The LIC's new business premium in April dropped 50.41% year-on-year to 5,810 crore rupees due to a sharp drop in group single premium.
April month was relatively weaker for the industry, and as you rightly said, there was a 30% decline that the industry reported in the unweighted new business premium, and that has been the weakness was there like for both the private players and as well as for the LIC, and to some extent it was expected because after a blockbuster March month, because March was a month wherein the budgetary changes were going to come into being from 1st of April. So in anticipation of that, there was a lot of pre-buying, and we have seen that the entire industry, especially the private ones, reported over 50% growth in the month of March. And on the weighted receipt premium, individual WRP, I mean, and which is where with this sort of pre-buying and the budgetary changes coming in, it was largely expected that April and probably the coming months may also be relatively softer, because many customers who were looking to buy insurance would have sort of preponed their decision and would have done that in March.
The Union Budget for 2023-24 proposed to tax a yearly insurance premium of over 5 lakh rupees from 2023-24. As a result, many customers decided to buy insurance policies in March before the new regime kicked in. As a result, the NBP of private sector insurance companies grew by 20% in March 2023. For the financial year 2022-23, life insurers have reported a nearly 18% growth in NBP to 3.7 trillion rupees. Out of this, LIC saw its NBP increase by 16.7% to 2.31 trillion rupees. At the same time, private sector insurers' NBP increased by 20% to 1.38 trillion rupees. Due to last year's high base, in addition to tax changes, growth in FY24 for life insurance companies could be subdued.
This will be more so in the initial months, because whatever changes have happened, that will take time to get absorbed. And given that the high flow of premium that was recorded in the month of March, that also will have a bearing on the premium collection in the ongoing months, in the April to June, July. And alongside this, you had also the changes on the tax side, wherein the government increased the ceiling under the new tax regime. And that will also have some bearing on the premium growth, because there is now not as much of an incentive to buy insurance and put money into other ATC products to save tax.
The changes in tax policy, particularly on high-value products, could hurt private players more. They had positioned themselves to policy holders using such products with guaranteed returns. At the same time, LIC was focused more on participatory products.
If you like this video, share it and subscribe to Business Standard. For more news, views and insights, log on to www.business-standard.com. Do also follow us on YouTube, Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, Telegram and LinkedIn.
I am the blue of the limitless sky. I am the inspiration that led success soar high. I will achieve, I will fly high. I am the I in SBI.
I'm backed by the nation's trusted bank, SBI, the banker to every Indian.